Only MS Office software you need to master for work, learn times included. Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is a program that helps you write and edit documents. You can use it to create documents and reports, build resumes, newsletters, research papers, and writing proposals. Microsoft Excel. Excel is a digital tool for numbers and data, like a calculator and table organizer, often used for data analysis, budgeting, inventory management, sales reports, project management, expense tracking, and statistical analysis. Microsoft PowerPoint. PowerPoint is a tool for creating visual presentations and slideshows. It's handy for creating business pitches, training materials, conference slides, visual reports, and for launching products. Power BI. Power BI helps businesses by showing data in pictures and reports for data visualization, business analytics, data reporting, financial dashboards, and predictive analytics so they can make smarter decisions. Microsoft Outlook. Outlook is great for email management, calendar scheduling, task management, contact management, and meeting coordination, staying organized and communicating at work.